Ertex luxury car design has been operating in Turkey for over 30 years. Our company is the leader in the sector and has the most experience in its operation field. Our headquarters are located in Ankara and we have a branch office in Istanbul, Düsseldorf, Doha and Erbil. Ertex aims to develop its overseas activities in the near future, and for this purpose, it has been continuing its studies to open branch offices in Russia, Dubai, and the USA. Ertex employs 130 personnel in its headquarters and produces 80% of its products as integrated.
Place is subscribed.